Hi guys, this is Ray and Fiona, MCEntee brother and sister from Ireland, now here in Chicago. We're with the MCEntee Law Group and musicvisas.com. We're here today just to talk about the visas available to musicians coming into the States, timelines, procedures. So Fiona, do you want to start off and talk about the visas?
Yeah, so for bands that want to come over and perform in the States, the visa that they will be looking at would be a P1. That is for bands that are considered to be internationally recognised. And what that means is that they're known in more than just their home country. So we demonstrate that by showing that they've performed in other countries, that their CDs have been sold or listened to in other countries, and we can show reviews from performances and things like that. So that's the P1 and that's for bands. Moving on to another visa that bands can use, and that's the P3. That's for bands or entertainers that could be considered culturally unique. So for that you'd be looking at maybe the reggae, the Irish, traditional Irish music, things like that. They're culturally unique performers. For solo artists, the only option that's available to them would be the O1, and that demands a standard of extraordinary ability in the arts. And there's a list of categories that we need to, different requirements, and we need to show that you meet a lot of them.
Yeah, okay, we'll talk about briefly, we're going to talk about timelines and costs. So with the O1, the P1 and the P3, the timelines are pretty much all the same. It's about 3 months for adjudication. There is an option to fast track that by an additional government filing fee, premium processing, which will bring it down to 15-day adjudication. It's an additional cost. Now we want to talk about the cost. P1 and P3, roughly it's about $2,000 all in, attorney fees and government filing fees. The O1 is about $2.5 grand with attorney and government filing fees. If you want to go the premium processing route, that's an additional $1,200 on top of that. So now I think we should just talk about general tips, kind of do's and don'ts for musicians coming to the States.
Yeah, so one of the things that we would like you to do would be to obviously do disclose any prior immigration or criminal violations that you might have. As minor as you think it might be, it should always be disclosed to your attorney. And in terms of your passport, you want to make sure that it's valid for at least 6 months beyond any visa that you want to request. Work with your attorney as soon as you can, because these things do take time, and we want to make sure that we have enough time to get the case reviewed and adjudicated.
Yeah, I think also have a good, well-organised manager who's on top of things, who's communicating well. The attorney, itineraries, that's important that you have gigs lined up.
Yes, it does seem like you're putting the cart before the horse, but it is important that you book those gigs in advance of requesting your visa. And then in terms of do-nots, what things you shouldn't do?
Don't overstay any visas or visa waiver program.
Don't try and enter the States on a visitor's visa when an actual performing visa is required, and that's something that you should always consult an attorney if you're not sure about whether or not you're recording an album and whether that needs a visa. There are things that needs to be discussed with your lawyer.
Okay, yeah, great. I think that's probably everything.
Yeah, and you can find us on musicvisas.com
or MCEnteelaw.com.
Okay, thanks.